Hi, this is Jamie from Master Addons. This is an Elementor add-on plugin. It has a lot of free elements and extensions which are enough to create an awesome website. As it's a freemium plugin, you can download it from the WordPress plugin repo. If you want to get the pro version, then check the pricing page from our official website. Link is given below for both free and pro versions. I am going to discuss in details about image hotspot element by Master Addons in this video. Let's drag this image hotspot element inside the editor. And this is the default image hotspot logo. Now you need to customize it and upload your own images. I'm going to show you everything step by step. First, select on choose an image option. Then select your desired image. You can upload files. I have already uploaded this one. Okay. We have added two prebuilt hotspot. Here you can see the XX, this one, and it's another one. And now I need to change the content. The text, type text or icon. I am selecting icon and selecting icon from the icon library. This bell icon. And tooltip content. Here you can paste any content or image or video as you need. Then let's go to the style area and the icon color, background color, the hover. I will select this letter. Let me do the position first. Let's make it on top. Okay. Okay, that's the perfect place. And now let's do some style. Color. Okay, white color, and the background should be black. And when hover, the icon will be black and the background will be bright. Now if I hover, you see the changes, and here is the content. If you hover on the content, then you can read the content properly. Then let's do the same thing for the second hotspot. Or let's just remove this and add a new hotspot. By default, it's the text, and X, you can change the content here. Plate. And I'm a tooltip for a hotspot. Let's copy this and paste it, and now do some position. Plate, let's make it down. Okay. Now if you want to show the tooltip on top, you need to select from global to top. And now if I hover, it will show on top. And it's showing on top because I have set it global as a top. Now if I make it on bottom, or let's make it on right, and if I hover, you will see the tooltip on right. You can add as much as hotspot on this image by clicking on add item and put your content. That's it. Now let's go to the tooltip, and this is the global option. I have defined top for everything. Now if I make it bottom and disable on none, okay, I don't need this option. Visible on hover, yes or no. Now if I hover it, and you can see it's on bottom. Then arrow, show or hide. You can hide the arrow. You will see a little arrow on hover. You can hide this. Then margin and minimum width or maximum width. You can change the minimum width to, okay, let's make it 423. And if I hover, you can see this tooltip increased its size. Set index is 999. That means it will pop up on top always. So now let's navigate to our style area. Style the opacity. If you need, you can decrease the image opacity, and you can add a border on image. Then apply a box shadow. You can see a nice box shadow effect. If you want to increase it or decrease it on your needs. Okay, now let's go to the hotspot disable pulse effect. You see the blub or pulse effect on this tooltip before hovering on it. Now if I disable it, you will see the effect is gone. Now you can easily just hover and see the content. Then the text padding and typography for the hotspot. This you see the plate content here. You can change the typography and then add transition, and there is a lot of options for background color or color border and box shadow. It's for default and hover. Now let's go to the tooltip, and here's the alignment. Center, if I do center, the content will be on center. If I do left, then the content will be. And the tooltip, you can set the alignment for your content, then padding, then add border radius. Okay, let's make 100 for top. If I select and you see it's grouping. This is about the border radius. Let's make it 15. And if I hover, you see a nice border effect here. This is how you can customize image hotspot. This is how you can customize image hotspot and the tooltip on your own way. I hope you got a clear concept on how image hotspot work. I recommend you to practice more on this element, and you can make something awesome with this image hotspot element. Feel free to comment here if you face any problem. Make sure to download, install and active master add-ons from our official website or our WordPress plugin repo page. Otherwise, you can't work with our extensions and elements.